If you like barbecuing and smoke, oh, you'll love this grill.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt.
Today we are outdoors to bring you guys the Jim Beam 5-piece cooler and grill set.
Can I get something to drink from the cooler?
Sure, why not? Here you go.
Take one of these here.
Alright guys, so in our last video we did the unboxing of the Jim Beam 5-piece set, and one of the things that we actually found out was that it actually brought a cooler with the grill set, which is actually great. I just tested it out, and as you can see, we actually put some waters, we have cooler drinks, we have some of the meat we're gonna cook today. Very portable. We have a grill in our background, right? But we don't need the big grills.
No, we don't.
Because we have the Jim Beam little cooler that could.
Well, in this case, it's the little grill.
Oh, the little, that's right, the little grill that could.
Where are the utensils, you know?
Oh, that's right. The utensils are right under the cooler bag.
That is so awesome. You're not gonna lose anything.
This is pretty much all that we need. Are you ready?
I'm ready to start grilling, man, because I'm hungry.
All right, so let's start grilling. See, the cooler is now nice and cool. We could put ice in there and keep all your materials cool while you're grilling. And of course, we have our big guy right here, our champ, which we're gonna be using the charcoal with, and we're gonna be putting all this stuff and all the materials in here. So again, we have 2 levels.
What is that?
This is actually the piece.
No, what is that? That.
This?
Yeah.
This is not part of the video. That's not sponsored. We're not supposed to be eating that, but we're gonna put our charcoal in the bottom. Oh. All right, so we don't need a lot of charcoal because obviously it's not a lot of food. Since I am an expert at grilling. But today I will be.
But remember, I think we need to make sure, since this is gonna be a bottom grill piece, these pieces, you can't stack them up too much.
All right, let's try it out. Let's see how this works, if it actually fits. Perfect.
All right, let's light it up.
We have fire, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to move it, all you do is grab this little thing on the side and move it a little bit further away from you so that you don't get burned. So we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit and then we'll come back. So far, so good.
I do wanted to mention, like we did before, there is an under compartment. So
let's take a look at it.
Yeah, we can take a look at that compartment here. So if we wanted to, we could literally, ooh, you hear that?
You hear the sizzle?
We hear the sizzle. So let's do that down there. While on the top, we start on the burgers. These are, wanted to keep it a little healthy, so we went ahead and got some turkey burgers, and we're gonna slap it at the top.
We're gonna season these burgers a little bit, obviously. Ooh, nice. You look like a professional griller.
Yeah, I've been to my a barbecue here or there. We want to take a quick look underneath to see how the hot dogs are doing.
Yep, let's take a look without messing up.
Ooh, oh yeah, I like that. We have here some pork chops. Where do you want to cook them? You want to cook them at the top
piece?
Let's
cook them at the top.
I don't know. I feel like
you want to go on the bottom then?
I think the bottom piece will give them that little charcoal. Do you want to add some sazon on it?
All right, let's get some sazon.
Just add a little bit of sazon on both sides. Literally, very, very light on the sazon. We'll do it on that side. And then we'll put that piece at the bottom. Move it out a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then we'll put one in the top.
You want to put one at the top?
Yeah.
All right. So after a few minutes of grilling, we were not feeling the flames. There was no fire coming from the grill. We decided to remove the foil. And guess what? Nothing happened. It could be an issue with the charcoal. But okay, I don't hear the I don't hear the sizzle you're supposed to hear with that. So as you guys witnessed, we have a little bit of a hiccup because we cover the top piece with some aluminum foil, and we believe that stopped the cooking because there was no air circulation. So if you want to use, I guess, aluminum foil. It may not be the best thing since it's charcoal. You can't really use a lot of charcoal on it, so you got to be really thoughtful about, you know, the amount of meat that you also are using, and also if you're gonna cover it up.
I mean, if you want to only use the top portion,
Yeah.
then you can put more charcoal on the bottom.
Yes.
And then you have more fire. Yeah.
I think that might be better. But because we wanted to cook on both spaces, we only put enough charcoal at the bottom. So this could take a while to cook. So that's something to let people know. But it's a good time, you know, for us to get to know each other. So, you know, anything new that's happening?
All right, so we'll be back when the hot dogs are done.
We'll be back.
We got smoke. Looks like, yeah, we actually missed the little flap in the bottom part. But
Jim, what does Jim need to include?
instruction manual.
And this is why you're watching this. This is why we do this, so that you don't have to.
Oh, I think I cut him. Oops.
You did. All right, so now that it's open, this thing is lit. You see, remember that side didn't have smoke. That side wasn't cooking well. And now that we open the bottom piece, we have fire. Look at this, it's cooking now. See, what a big difference. And you see the meat too is cooking. Look at that.
Ooh, turn it, flip it, flip it. Whoa.
Look at that. If you're gonna go out grilling, how much time do you think people need to have to grill?
Probably like an hour, I would say.
Okay,
Probably about
so an hour to get everything ready. And you see, that's good. Oh yeah, that, smell that? That's the grease, that's the meat. So remember when we did the George Foreman grill? If you want to see that video, you got to check it out right there. This is what happens when fat hits the heat. But I like the fact that we're cooking in the bottom, we're cooking at the top. I think this will fit probably like 4 people.
Yeah, because you could do hamburgers in the bottom, hamburgers on the top. Okay, so it's time to take out the hot dog.
Oh,
wow, look at that.
They are ready to go. Listen, every piece in the set is needed.
Nice and crispy.
I'll take that.
Okay, there you go. And then this one, nice and crispy. I'll take this.
Do you want to flip that, or what do you want to do?
Look, it's nice and juicy. Look at the water. The juice is coming out. Look at that.
Oh yeah. This looks awesome. This is ready to eat. We probably need to add a little bit more fire. It's probably a few more. All right, that's good. Let's leave it there for a few minutes. Let's let it light up, and I think we'll be ready to go. Bam.
Burn, baby, burn, burn, burn.
Faster cooking time, we strongly recommend using more charcoal. All right, so we are ready to taste the burger. All right, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right.
Let me just say, the flavor on that turkey burger is good. The brand is good.
And you taste the charcoal and the flame broil.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna taste the pork. Grab a piece.
Take this piece.
This other piece right here.
If you like barbecuing and smoke, oh, you love this grill.
Wow, this is really good.
Yeah, nicely cooked all around.
And once again, flame broil.
Yeah, it's still juicy. It kept the flavor. I think we're ready to grate.
Yep.
So what do you think the grade you have out of 5 you give the little Jim Beam grill set?
I would give it a 4.5.
Not perfect.
The reason why we give it a 4.5 is the grilling space is really small. It's really small. It does offer 2 layers, but when you use the bottom layer, you don't have enough charcoal. And I think if they would have included a little dome to cover,
yeah, I agree.
that would have been like amazing.
I mean, I actually give it a 4 out of 5.
Okay.
Not because there's anything wrong with it. I think it's great. It's a small little grill for 1 to 2 people. You can take it anywhere you want. You can grill. I mean, I picture this in a river when you fish.
Or
You
camping.
catch, or camping. You catch a fish right there, and you just dump the fish in the little. Going camping, that's a great idea. So you know what? You convinced me. I give it a 5. I have given an extra point because of the camping.
Wait, it didn't come with a manual. We didn't figure out the little flap at the bottom. That's why I gave it a 4.5.
You know what? You're right. Good point. Good point. So I'm gonna take half a point because it needed to come with a manual because there was a couple of little issues that we had, and we were not experts, right? We made little mistakes, but we figured it out. And after that, we finally realized what we needed, and but the product actually performed really well.
Yes, it did.
It's really comfortable. I mean, we're in a little tight space, and we didn't really need anything else. Just set it and
Forget it. So leave us a comment down below if you have used this product or any other type of portable grill, because this is a small portable grill. Let us know what brand you use, what product you use.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.
And hit the notification bell button so you don't miss videos like this, and you can share some of this barbecuing.
Yeah, you don't want to share.
Outside grilling.
Share some of this. Come on.
Look at that. I'm gonna take the piece with the bone, see how it is.
No, those look good. All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy this barbecuing amazing day outside with the G and Beans. So hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Team Kilowatt. All right. Ow.
Okay.
Outtakes.
Yes, out.